Hi you guys, good morning. Hi to everyone who is new here, welcome, and welcome back to everyone who has already been here for a while. I woke up at 5:30 in the morning today, which I am so proud about. I changed, I got ready, and I went for my Pilates class. I am so happy. It was so good. It was just so refreshing for my brain, and while I was going there, I was literally freezing. It has gotten so chilly in Mumbai, like my fans off, my AC's off, I have a sweater on, and I think it's finally time we get into the Christmas wintry vibe, because I'm pretty sure this is like the maximum the temperature is gonna drop. And yeah, I'm already feeling all the Christmassy things, because everywhere I see, like, my Instagram is filled with all the Christmas reels, and even the shops have started doing their decor, and I thought it was finally time that we get into the Christmassy wintry vibe also, and that's exactly what we're gonna do in this video. So right now I'm quickly gonna get changed. I feel a little sweaty, and then I'm so hungry because I've been up for a while, so we're gonna fix ourselves some breakfast, and then we're gonna see what else we want to do for the video. I have a couple of things planned already, and I'm so excited. I love Christmas, and I'm so glad that the temperature is dropping, even though I have always been a summer girly. But I feel like this time I'm just so excited for winters, and I just want to embrace, you know, the cold, the chilly days. I got ready, I took a shower. Oh my god, I am feeling so cute, so myself. Firstly, can we please take a moment to appreciate what I'm wearing? This like cute jumper. It has a bows here, it has bows here, there's a bow here, and also I have these cute bow earrings on. So yeah, I am feeling very Christmassy, very bow aesthetic, which is, you all know, my personal favorite. But anyways, yeah, I just did like a very little bit of makeup, put some blush on, some lip gloss on, and now firstly we are gonna make our Christmas mood board. I honestly have been doing this since 3 years now. I always just go on Pinterest, I see, okay, what is everyone doing, what I want to do for my Christmas, what is my decor inspo, what are the things I want to sort of buy, what are the things I want to wear. So like just a basic vibe check kind of a mood board. So that's what we're gonna make. We're gonna do other things just like here and there related to the overall aesthetic we're gonna go for Christmas. And I think you all can tell already, I am very much inclined towards a pinkness, but again we have to see that if you're gonna be able to sort of find those ornaments and decor, because it's really hard to find it. Like here in India at least, it's like so hard to find pink ornaments for Christmas and like pink stuff for Christmas. But anyways, we're gonna see. First we are just gonna look around. I've not really seen what's happening. I've not checked Pinterest in like a few days, so I don't know what Christmas aesthetic people are going for. So yeah, I just realized I don't have a Christmas playlist, and like I was just about to go and just, you know, open Pinterest, and I was like, what music am I playing? It hit me, I have not made a winter cozy Christmassy kind of a playlist. So before we do anything else, this is the first thing that we are going. I've opened my Spotify, and we're just gonna quickly make a cute little playlist. Okay, I've named it as Christmas 24. Very cliche and very basic of me, but it's okay. So I am almost done with my Pinterest board for Christmas. So let me just like briefly take you all through it and just tell you all why I pinned what I pinned. So we have quite a things related to bows. Obviously you all know it's my obsession. And then we also have like those bow garlands that all the people are doing. I've seen it a lot. And then we have like a few makeup inspo, very sparkly and wintry, and we have so many nail inspos because look at my nails right now, they are so crusty, so bad, and I might just get them done or I'll do stick-ons. We have quite a few outfit inspos as well for when I'm going out, maybe for like a Christmas event or maybe like just to, I don't know, go to a cafe, anything. All the cute outfits are here. We have a lot of baking going on. We have Bath and Body Works, and we have so many inspo for our Christmas tree, which is the main thing. I'm still not sure what exactly I want to do, but I have, you know, sort of pinned all the things that I really liked, so I might just sort of pick things from here and there and do my thing. I don't know, I'm not sure, but we have stuff. So yeah, that's everything with my Christmas 24 Pinterest board, which I'm really excited to bring to life. Like, this is making me so excited for Christmas. I'm already way more excited, but I think this just brings everything to life visually. So when I'm going out now, I know what exactly I want to look for and what are the things that I need to sort of, you know, check from my Pinterest board. So that's why it's so important for me to make one every year. I also changed the wallpaper for my laptop. This is like a picture from New York, and this is how New York looks during Christmas. So this is one, and then even for my phone, I just like made this my lock screen, my home screen. I forgot what you say, but yeah, it just says Santa and it's just like a letter to Santa. And yeah, this looks so cute. Both the things are so adorable. You all saw that I went to Bath and Body Works yesterday, and honestly it's my favorite place to go to when, you know, Christmas time is here, because literally they have so many Christmas scents, there are so many other Christmas related products, and it just feels like a heaven. And yesterday I spent, I think, an hour there and I got like a few things, so I thought I'll quickly show you all. It's not too many. Disclaimer before I even show, you all must be like, if you've spent an hour you must have gotten a few products. I have just gotten 4 products, and out of those 4, only 2 are Christmas related. But still, I am not planning to splurge my money. I'm not planning to spend my money on the most random things. This time I am being a little, not too much, I'm just being a little cautious with what I'm buying. So anyways, the first thing that I got is this hand wash. Can you all see? It is so pretty. It's like a pink frosting with so much glitter, and it's like a foaming hand soap, and I realized this would look so cute in my bathroom, and I've never ever used any hand soap except for, I don't know, Dettol or something. And the second Christmas thing that I got is obviously a candle. Before I show you all which one I got, let me tell you all the ones that I was planning to get. So obviously there's Vanilla Bean, which is OG, the green one. Then there was Winter Apple Candy. Then there was a Winter Morning Candle. And then this one called Cinnamon Vanilla something. And yeah, there were quite a few nice candles that I had my eyes on, but I wanted something that was single wick. I did not want a 3-wick candle because I think I have it right now. Here she is. It looks exactly like Christmas. It's called Pure Wonder, and these 2 products are literally matching in their vibe. So I thought that, you know, they would just complement each other. And again, from inside it just looks so pretty and so pink. And then there are 2 products which I got for Anik, because obviously I'll be giving him things for Christmas, and not one but 2 of the things that I'm planning to give are these. So this is like a body moisturizer, and then this is like a roll-on. And now I think we're gonna start getting ready. It's actually very late right now. It's almost 5:30. What I did was that I took a nap, and that nap turned out to be like a 2-hour nap, which I don't mind honestly. I've been up since 5:30 and I also got my period right now, so I think the nap makes sense. The long nap, it makes sense. We are just gonna wash our face. I know I look a little sleepy, so we're just gonna start getting ready. What we have something from Chanel. So there was this pop-up going on in Geo Drive and I was like, you know what, let's just see, and I saw this lipstick and I was like, oh my god, can I try it? And then she just, the lady there, she put it on my lips and I made my decision in under 10 seconds that I want to buy it, and so I bought it. Literally first time I found a shade and I was like obsessed with it, and it was from their new collection and this is how it looks. It's in the shade Spell. Oh my god. And this is the first time I'm trying it. I did not even open it. I was like, you know what, I'll just, like I said, I'll just wait for a special occasion. But then she looks adorable. She looks absolutely stunning. It's like that statement makeup piece that you have. Literally, I'm telling you, if you see the shade, you would be like, oh my god, it's so statement. Like, this lipstick in itself is like a makeup look. But anyways, enough of yapping, let me just put it on. Not my usual shade, just a disclaimer. Oh my god, are you looking at that? It just changed my whole makeup look. Literally, it just did something. I don't know. I am done. This is my makeup. I am obsessed with this shade. Right now, maybe because it's like yellow light, you all cannot see how deep of a red it is, but we are looking stunning. It's giving Christmas, it's giving holiday, and I'm here for it. Like, look at the eyes, look at the lips. They are like giving, for real. The last thing would be a setting spray, and this brand has sent me this setting spray, and it's like sparkly. Can you all see the sparkles? It looks heavenly and I feel like it's perfect for today's makeup look. So, wow. Oh my god. I am looking like a disco ball right now, no kidding, but this is gonna settle down by the time we are ready and, you know, sort of going out. This is all gonna settle down, but let me just quickly put on my outfit and book a Uber because I think I will be late otherwise, and Anik will also be there. We are both gonna attend this thing together. It's gonna be so cute. Who is she, you guys? Who is she? I look so different, but I am loving this kind of different. Look at my sweater. It has these like little bows and I'm just wearing a basic neck piece, my bow earrings, and I've just tied this bun because why not? My hair was not giving and now at least it looks like it's giving something. So I am ready. I'm wearing a basic jeans. Y'all will see like my outfit better maybe in pictures or something, but I think I should get going. But oh my god, I did not know I could pull this off, but I did, and I'm literally giving Christmas holiday. I literally give exactly that, and that's exactly what I wanted to give. So 10 on 10 for trying, 10 on 10 for slaying. That's me hyping myself up because this is a new look for me. I don't know how will everyone take it. This was such a bummer. This was honestly such a bummer because the event at the tree lightning that I was supposed to go to, it happened already and I reached like an hour late, and then almost everything was done. So now I literally left. Anik is here. Do you want to say hi? I know you're in a pissed mood, but be nice to the vlog.
Hello everyone.
So yeah, now we're going to Foo. Wow. I think Foo just calls us. We've been to Foo so many times, but we love it. I think the only thing that can fix Anik's mood and my mood, I'm not too bummed, but it's okay. Like, even I'm like, okay, I dressed up so cute, but we're not gonna let the look go to waste. We're going to Foo and then might go for desserts to a cute place, and yeah, that's the plan as of now. We are playing Mafia. I know you all must be wondering, Muskan, where are the Christmas nails? Because this is not giving holidays, this is not giving anything, right? And I am so happy because my nails finally arrived. Wait, let me show you all. So remember what I did in Bali? I had these stick-on nails. The same brand has sent, you know, like another pair to me. And these are the Christmas nails. So I sent the design and guys, y'all are not ready for it. Can you all look at it? It has bows, it has such nice red color, we have shimmer, and we're gonna put these on right now. We have all the things that are needed. You all know the drill, right? You all have seen the Bali video. If you have not, please check that one out. And yeah, the brand has also sent some really cute stickers, so might put these on somewhere. But yeah, I think we should get to work. Both my tables are an absolute mess, so we are gonna just put our nails on using this table which I have, my bed table. But anyways, I'm just gonna play, I think, Vlogmas of any of my favorite YouTubers. We are watching Steph. We are watching her Vlogmas day 1. You guys, this is looking so pretty. Can you all see it? Oh, look at the bow. Look at the bow. The nails are done. Are we looking at these? They are looking so Christmassy. I'm sorry, I really like them. I have never gotten this color done, and I was honestly gonna go for pink, but then I was like, you know what, I can get pink anytime, but this screams Christmas more and I absolutely love it. I just hope they don't chip off because like at the end of the day they are stick-ons, right? And in Bali also they kept chipping off. That's the thing with like stick-on nails, but this time I've done them really properly with like proper amount of glue, etc, etc. But yeah, I hope I don't lose any of these and you'll see me have these for a while. And yeah, I'm so happy. We are going out again, and yeah, I'm just wearing like a all black outfit. I don't know, I'm not a black person, right? Like when it comes to colors, I do like wearing black, but not so much. Like past 3 days I've been going out and I'm wearing black every single day, which is, I don't know, it's good, right? It suits me. But yeah, I'm just putting on this like cutie bow. It's gonna go so well. Also, my nails are going so beautifully with this. I love it. I'm just gonna do a very basic thing. I'm just gonna take my hair back and put the bow. Nothing major. We have finally put the bow. It was tricky, I don't know why, but yeah, that's my look. Might do a red lip again, might not. That depends on my mood, but yeah, we'll get going. We are going to ITC. I'm really excited. I hope their Christmas tree is up. They also called me for their tree lighting ceremony, but I couldn't make it. But we're just going for like a nice cozy dinner with a friend. You guys, this is so pretty, and look at those 2 reindeers there. Oh my god, this is so pretty.
What if we sit at the back?
We had dinner in ITC in Peshawari, and then we just were chilling in the hotel, and then we went to dessert therapy. It was also so decked up, and we had the famous, my favorite, strawberry pancake. And yeah, that was about it for the night. It was so much fun, and yeah, I hope you all are excited for all the other Christmas vlogs. And that's it for this one. Okay, bye.